Hello everyone, this is my first unboxing video. I decided to treat myself to a birthday present, which was a selfie stick stand which I bought on Amazon. And I said I want to get into a little bit of a YouTube video unboxing type stuff. Nothing professional, just me getting into the world of YouTube videos. I don't plan on being a Marcus Brownlee or one of those major YouTubers out there, but I never really like hearing myself on camera, and I thought maybe this was just my opportunity to just try something different in my free time. So I'm gonna be doing some videos over the coming months to see if this is something I'll enjoy doing. It's fun, it's cheap. I didn't pay too much for the stick. It's just about $19. So for my first video today, what we're gonna do is unbox something I've already used, which is a copy of Office 365 Personal. This is really old right now, and in fact Microsoft has renamed this Microsoft Family. So this actually is an old product, but when I was a Microsoft MVP, I was able to snag a few of these at the Microsoft company store for really cheap. So recently my Office 365 sub that I was getting through that program expired, and I remember I had a few of these around, so I decided to start using them. And the great thing about Office 365 is that it's a subscription that lets you use it on multiple devices. So as you can see, I have a Mac, but I also have a Microsoft Surface, which is my Windows PC. And I do have several other devices around. I also have some virtual machines, stuff like that. But getting a copy of Office these days is not hard. Like, even at work, I have Microsoft 365 Enterprise on my work PC, so I don't really have a desperate need to get Office itself. It's not like in the 2000s where I used to have like a pirated copy of the suite on my computer, because it was just such a out of reach thing, I guess, to have on your computer. So you would like get a pirated copy. Personally, I like owning the real thing, so like I persuaded my dad to like purchase the real product at the time. But yeah, I'm just testing out things here, seeing how it goes. And yeah, this is Office 365 Personal. So Microsoft has replaced this with Microsoft Family. And if you had bought a copy of this many years ago and never used it, don't worry. If you just go to Microsoft's website and actually install it, it's going to install Microsoft 365, which is the equivalent of Microsoft Family to this product. So there's no CDs in these boxes. Actually, it does come with a product key, so I'm starting to unbox it. I'm not being professional. Like, okay, this was a copy I actually bought at Microsoft. That's a digital copy I bought. But yeah, inside the box you'll find the product key, some instructions, what to do, how to install it. So you go to, on a PC or a Mac, you go to office.com/setup, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't already have one, it will let you set up one. You'll enter your 25-character product key, which is on the back of this, and just follow the on-screen instructions and it will install it, and you'll have Microsoft Office installed on your computer. And the great thing is that you can install this on up to 6 devices that you use, and I think you can also share it with family members too. So if you have somebody that you want to share the suite with, you can do that. So yeah, it's a great product. I use mostly Excel to like manage my finances and stuff like that. So I like using it. I was actually planning on switching over to Numbers on my Mac, but it's just really weird. I don't really like using it. I just prefer using Excel. It actually does everything I need. I don't really want to show my stuff on screen, but yeah, it's um it's a great product. So yeah, it's cheap too. It's not expensive, but the caveat is with subscription software these days, you don't own the software. You know, when you bought like a copy of like Office 2000 version, you know, you had it for life. You could run it on up to Windows 10 and never purchase another license again. But the great thing is that you get 1 terabyte of um, storage. This is the personal version. What I installed was from the digital copy, but with the home version, you get like 1 terabyte of storage for the entire year. Of course, you're gonna have to keep paying for it. But the thing with the subscription is that the upfront cost of Office is not as brutal as those perpetual one-time purchase versions. You know, spending $600 upfront versus 100 and say $40 per year over 6 years or 7 years or what 5 years is much easier on your pocketbook. So yeah, it's nice. I like using it. There's nothing special about Office. There's so much information and resources on the web about Office, but yeah, this is just me testing out my little selfie cam that I bought, selfie stick I should say. And yeah, I'm gonna be looking at some stuff and posting some nonsense on YouTube. um, might use this to do some interviews and, you know, just utilize my iPhone 10 even more, because like I bought my iPhone 10 a few years ago, came with 256 gigabytes of storage, and I've only used like 50 gigabytes of it. So I think maybe I'll put it to good use with something like this. But yeah, this was just me testing this out and seeing what it's all about. But yeah, Microsoft Office is such a standard. I can understand persons who don't need it. Um, yeah, and you know, if you're just typing like one-page documents and you know, you do the occasional number crunching, numbers and pages should be enough for you. But I'm so entrenched in Microsoft Office. I have so many files created in the Office apps, presentations, and so on. I just rather keep using it, on top of the fact that, you know, I had these copies lying around anyway, um, from my time as an MVP. Also, I do have Office at work too. So yeah, but if you can afford it, buy it. I recommend it. It's, you know, it's top notch. You can't, if you don't like Microsoft, you don't like Microsoft, but you can't dispute them that they make great software. So yeah, this is just my experience testing out YouTube, and I hope you enjoyed watching my little video here. And see you in the next one, as the other YouTubers normally say. Take care.